Okay, we're still continuing to get ready to build this roll cage. I'm at the point now where I'm really starting to get down into the things that need to be done for the fabrication. I began by cutting off this piece of steel, which was right here. Used a Sawzall to cut that out of there. Now I'm going through, and you can see where I'm grinding the welds with the grinder. Once the welds have been ground down and they're thin enough, I can get a hammer and a chisel and separate the metal and then peel this metal off. Same thing down here and right here. So we get all that stuff cleared out. This is 1/8" plate that I had a 90-degree bend put into. I'm gonna have to do some clearancing to make it fit around this, but it'll end up going in right here and providing the support for the bottom of the main hoop. There'll be one on each side. Over here, I've got another piece of 1/8" that I had a bend put into, and kind of the same thing. I'm going to make sure that it's going to support the forward tubes where they come down along the pillar here. And this will end up being the support for that. And the reason for that is because the floor is very odd back there. It'd be very difficult to weld in there. And we have to have 360-degree weld. In other words, weld all the way around the tube. So this is going to end up having to have some curves cut into it, and then we'll fit that into position, and that'll get welded in. I took the doors off, or at least one of the doors is off, so that we've got more access to work with. Still need to get the passenger door off, but getting the doors off is just, it makes your life so much easier. So I'd strongly encourage you to do that. Once your doors are off, take your door hardware like this and, go ahead and put it back in the door so you don't lose it. You want to make sure that when you store these pieces away, try and have everything that you need right there with that part. So that's where we're at. We'll get the passenger side door off, get the car into the garage, and finish stripping the interior out and start building the roll cage. Gonna be fun.